Hey everybody, Dano here. Well, I got myself a new utensil today, and I got a firebox. It's full of ashes and coals. I'm trying to do the dual camera setup again today, so you know, don't mind me. But I've been waiting on this to die down all day. I'll try to get a good shot of that. Hopefully this is all working right. So far I've had really bad luck with this GoPro and taking something that I can use, so we're gonna get started. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shovel everything over to one side, rake all the coals back over to the other, put the ashes in the bucket. So here we go. That's simple as that right there. Okay. Now there's a lot of ash right there. Might enlist a little help here. Oh, wait a minute, that's a lot of coal too. Okay. Never used this before, just got it today off Amazon, so. Okay. It's working so far. Ooh, that just stripped out on me there. Ooh. This thing is either breaking or I'm not sure, but seems to be taking a lot more time than what I'm normally used to with just using the shovel to get everything out of there. But the idea is I'm not going to waste all this ash and coal. Sorry. I'll be able to separate the ash from the coal. And a lot of it's going up the flue too. I don't mind that actually, because this thing burns so clean. Well, boy, that thing is already seeing some hurt right there. Come on. All right. All right. I don't really feel like I'm gaining much out of that. I could probably have just shoveled that already and it would have been fine. But, I mean, I saved a little bit. So the next step is just getting it transferred into the bucket here. So let's do that. I'm gonna try this. Oops. Thought that was plugged in. Well, as you can see, using this sifter here, I was able to separate about half of the coal before I got tired of messing around with that crap, and then just did it normally. And I still have a bunch of ash, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of trying to sift all that out. At some point, I just got to dig this thing out anyway, because a lot of this stuff is creosote. But I will say that, ooh, I don't know. That's ready to start a fire right here. Yeah, because check this out right here. I can do this. Plenty of air. This is about to burn extremely hot. Alright, so got a little bit of cleanup here. I don't know, I might have to tighten this. I'm thinking I need to tighten this up to keep the bucket from, well, I mean, that already completely failed there, but you know. Oh, got a few of these that failed. Thanks, China. I might massage that a little bit, get in a better working condition. This, but as you can see, I did extract way more ash than coals. Those will that will start that fire pretty well here in the near, very short future. Trust me. And then, yeah, that actually helped quite a bit. I was able to use the vacuum myself and suck that ash up. So good day. Not bad for a $20 buy, I'd say. See ya.